Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Receptor cells are present in the dash layer of the wall of the eyeball. And the options here are outer, middle, inner and corneal. And the key concept in the question is human eye. We are talking about human eye in this concept. Photoreceptor. What is photoreceptor? Actually, photoreceptor present in the outer wall of the eye. फर्स्टली हम फोटो रिसेप्टर के बारे में बात करेंगे. फोटो रिसेप्टर क्या है, आफ्टर दैट हम सारे ऑप्शंस के बारे में बात करेंगे. रेटिना क्या है? रेटिना, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट रेटिना, व्हाट इज रेटिना? रेटिना इज अ लाइट सेंसिटिव, retina is light sensitive inner layer, layer, inner layer of the eye that covers about 65% of the inner surface, and it consists of three layers. One is outer, middle and the inner. Outer, middle and inner. In the outer layer, it is closest to choroid. It contains photoreceptor. Outer layer consists photoreceptor or photosensitive cells, and these are rods and cones. Rods and cones. And the middle layer is bipolar cell and associated with interneurons, and the innermost layer have ganglion. इसे अगर हम इस डायग्राम के साथ रिलेट करें, then outer, this is the outer layer, this is the inner layer. Just a minute. This is the outer layer and this is the middle layer, and this one is the inner layer. Outer region have photoreceptor. Where is the photoreceptor? These are rods and these are cone. These are photoreceptor. Photoreceptor are present in the outermost layer of the eye wall. And the middle one is the bipolar. Bipolar cells are here. And the inner one is the ganglion cell. Ganglion present in the retinal ganglion cell, inner layer of the retinal ganglion cell. Now, let's talk about rod and cone. Rod and cone. Rod and cone are photoreceptor. There are two types of photoreceptor cell. One is rod and one is cone. These cells are distinguished by their shape, and the type of the photopigment. And they contain and the type of the photopigment they contain means रॉड एंड द कॉन दोनों फोटोरिसेप्टर हैं, और दोनों को हम डिस्टिंग्विश कैसे कर पाते हैं? उनकी शेप से और उनके फोटोरिसेप्टर से. अगर आप यहाँ इस डायग्राम में देखेंगे तो कॉन, रॉड एंड कॉन बोथ हैव डिफरेंट शेप. ईच फोटोरिसेप्टर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू an outer segment and the inner segment that includes a nuclear region and a synaptic terminal. Includes a nuclear region and a synaptic terminal. Outer segment of the cell detect light stimulation. This is the outer terminal of the cell and this detect the light stimulation, and the inner segments are rich in the mitochondria. This is the inner segment that is rich in the and that is rich in the mitochondria, and this is the reason that synthesize the photosensitive compound, right? If we talk about rod and cone now, rod allow us to see in dim light, and the cone allow us to see in light vision. लाइट विजन मीन्स हाईलाइट भी बोल सकते हैं आप. Rod have rhodopsin. Rod have the photopigment present in the rod is rhodopsin, and the photopigment present in the cone is photopsin. Rhodopsin में क्या होता है? It is comprised of retinal. Retinal is an aldehyde of vitamin A and a transmembrane protein called opsin. Opsin is a membrane. Opsin is a membrane of G protein couple receptor. We can say that GPCR family also. And the retinal is the light absorbing pigment. A light absorbing part of the photopigment. Retinal absorb light absorbing part of the photopigment. In corn cell, there are different type of opsin that combines with retinal to form pigment photopsin. Different type of opsin it have. It is also known as corn opsin, or we can say it iodopsin. So question says photoreceptor cells are present in the, and we clearly know it that outer photoreceptor cell are present in the outer layer of the wall of eyeball. So the options here is outer, middle, inner and the corneal. So the correct option is outer. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck. Thank you.